Hi, in this video I will show you how to move text on the Instagram story. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your Instagram mobile application. After that, go to your story and shoot any video you want. I simply shoot a video like here. So first of all, click on the text from here. Now you have to write text. Hi, moving text. Click on the done, and what you have to do is here tap on the text and you will see option like this. Now you have to adjust the text with the video. So I simply took it to the first and click on the pin. Now it's pinning. Now you will see text is moving with the video. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.